It is a hot, hot day today. Feels like it's probably 85, 90 degrees. It's gonna be cooler in the woods, I think. Cinnabon should be back here somewhere. Where is the pipe? There he is. He's wondering who is that? Who is that man? I can't see it right now. Peekaboo. Hi, Mr. Boo Boo. How the baby doing? How the baby doing? It's hot back here too, isn't it, mister? Yeah. Daddy went on a tubing trip yesterday. Have you done that before? Floating down the river on tubes? With food and drinks and many laughs to go around? Yeah? Which way do you want to go, Mr. Boo? We'll let him pick. Okay. You want to go this way? Or this way? Trails are still looking pretty good, aren't they? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, I guess we'll go this way since you're facing that direction. Looks like a black cherry branch, and look at that. You rarely get to see the actual cherries, but we got cherries on the tree, huh? Not sure if they're edible for people. That's what they look like. Look, little boo. Look. Look, got a cherry. You don't get these leaves, huh? Are they okay to munch on? Yeah, it must be. Hey, little brontosaurus. Look, buddy, look. Hey, look, look, little cherry. Yes. That's interesting, huh? We got more down here, different colors too. Yes. What's that? It looks like a little wet spot in your ear, mister. Yeah. I should probably cut the lawn the next couple of days, but it's so hot I don't feel like doing that. I want to get heat exhaustion, you know? Can always mow it later. Are you trying to stop, Daddy? Oh, too bad. I'm faster. I'm faster. Not really, but... Oh. You like tearing up those trees, don't you, little boo? Yeah. Come on, race you. Come on, I'll race you. We'll see who's faster. You're just trying to stop me. You're trying to stop Daddy. Whoa, he's mad. He's a mad kitty sometimes, huh? You don't like when Daddy moves when he doesn't say it's okay. Look at that sunshine, my goodness, can't even look at it. Somebody cutting the grass over there, huh? Oh. Gotta scratch the root. Hear all them birds, little boo? I sure do. Gonna go over to your stump. Oh, you forgot about it. That one right there. Thought it'd be cooler back here. It's slightly cooler with less sun, but still pretty hot and muggy. Oh boy. There's some big sticks in the way, don't we, little boo? Oh, I spooked him a little bit. You like it up there, mister? You see something? You see something? Looks like he got a sap in his ear or something. Nasty. Got some tree sap in your ear, Mr. Boo? Yeah. You could use a breeze back here, huh, buddy? I know I sure could. Yeah. Could you use a breeze back here too, mister? Yeah. What you looking at? What you looking at? You sure like being back here, don't you? Got a little bird right there. I got it. Yeah. Too hot for hardwood. Yeah. Too hot for Daddy. Oh, you're hunting, aren't you, little boo? Yeah, for a minute I'm like, where'd you go? Some noises. Careful. Doesn't look very stable. Are you hunting something? Yeah. Well, I'll leave you alone. I don't want to cramp your style in the hunting. Probably distracting you, giving away your position to the mice that are trying to avoid you. It's crazy. You can practically walk on the side of a log pile. All right, buddy. Happy hunting, okay? Oh boy. Careful, don't fall. Oh, what you looking at now? All right, little boo-boo. You be a good boy now, okay? You behave yourself. He looks like he's doing just fine up there.